How to create an account on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you create your Facebook account. To do this, you want to first of all open up your respective app store and type in Facebook in order to install the app. After completely installing the application, click on the open button, and this is how the interface will look. Now then, you have to simply click on create new profile at the bottom. Then you want to go ahead and click on create manually, and now you want to make sure to go ahead and click on create new account. Enter in your first name, last name, tap the next button. Now then, go ahead and enter in your date of birth and click on the set button, after which tap the next button once again, and then you want to tap on the next or select the gender type and tap on the next once again, after which you will then be asked to provide in your contact information. You will either sign up with email or a phone number as well. Either way, you want to go ahead and tap next and enter in or create a password. So as soon as you're done creating your password, then it's going to ask you to verify your email address or your phone number, and once you're done with that, you will be taken to the next field, and you just need to go ahead and create a profile. So you could upload a photo, all that, and then you could begin with adding people to your friend list, or you could go ahead and start following people or adding friends to your contact list. So this way you'll be able to create an account on Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.